So today I'm taking Demi to Guildwood Park for having a ginger tea. It's a beautiful park. There are lots of statues to click photographs, greenery, and you can even see Lake Ontario from there. So let's go and enjoy a cup of ginger tea along with you guys. So baby, are you excited for your Guildwood Park ginger tea?
Of course, I'm super excited. Super excited always. I think we should show something outside because
Yeah,
this
yeah.
area has beautiful houses,
It
guys.
is, yeah.
Just have a look.
तो डेमी डार्लिंग, आज की चाय मैं आपको I'm gonna give you this awesome ginger tea in Guildwood Park. So this is your second location with the ginger tea.
Yes, it is.
So I want to tell all of you who are watching also, if you feel like joining us for ginger tea and if you are in Toronto, get in touch with us. Let's enjoy this together. Aja Demi, come sit. So this is a new effort that we are doing. We are exploring Toronto on a cup of ginger tea. So we will try and see all the parks that are here, and this Guildwood Park is actually very beautiful. There are some amazing statues and
Yeah.
beautiful artifacts. We are gonna show you
It looks like a Roman park or something.
Roman or Greek,
Yes.
Greco-Roman.
Yeah, it's just amazing. I have realized that all the parks that I have gone to,
Yeah.
I mean, you see immense beauty and a lot of peace and greenery around, so it's beautiful.
I mean, if you look at it, like in the middle of this concrete jungle, Toronto, everywhere there are these getaways and parks. You can go and feel like you're out in the woods, and there's so much peace and tranquility.
Yeah, this is like how much? 17 to 20 minutes away from our home, right?
Yeah.
I feel so lucky, and your tea, as usual, it's outstanding.
So after this tea, let's explore this park and see what all is there in it.
It says it's established in 1832. Yeah. That's uh, that's Lake Ontario.
Looking beautiful.
Oh my God, the sound of water and beautiful people. Guys, this is Lake Ontario, and we are on the Guildwood Park side of this lake. There are around 12 to 15 parks
In these
around
natural surroundings, you're looking even more pretty.
it. Hey, you are so cute. You always make me happy. So guys, this is Lake Ontario and we are on the Guildwood Park side of it. We cannot trespass this and go closer because this mud can fall.
I think today I'm having one of the most romantic time with you. This beautiful early winter evening. We are in the woods. There is water here, clean, fresh air. Everybody should come to Guildwood Park. What is this little cottage?
I just read it there that this is the first building built in Scarborough.
Are you serious?
Yes, this is the first one. It belonged to a lieutenant governor who was, posted here to survey this area.
Wow. All the provinces' names are written here. Alberta, and this is Manitoba.
I thought these are some Greek god names or something.
I don't know, maybe they are. Northwest. On this side we have Saskatchewan. So we have seen everything, but I still haven't seen that bear.
I can see it. Let me see if you can notice it.
Oh, wait. The bear is there.
Yes. Here it is, guys. He found his bear, which he was trying to locate for such a long time. You both compliment each other, mate.
Automatic opening. I just have to come and stand here and Loa Loa opens the boot for me. Is it good?
There is a lot of automation that you're enjoying, I know.
Alright guys, so that was Guildwood Park. Good place to walk, enjoy your evening, and there is water, woods, lots of statues, you can click photographs. I highly recommend that you come and enjoy your tea or coffee here. And we are gonna see you guys next time at another park or another location with our cup of ginger tea. If any of you is interested, put it in the comment section, meet us, we'll put it on the community post where we are going next.
Also, if you have any recommendation where we can go.
Exactly, if you have any recommendation, if you live in Toronto area, let us know because we are out there to explore now with Loa Loa.